because I wanna fit the toilet in such a tight space just behind the wheel arch. I built a kind of van wall here in the workshop, just to check how much I can move from the center line, and we fit, let's say like that. And how you see, I move this hole from the center to the right. From the center line, this to the side, to still will be possible to pull out the cassette. Right now is, let's say, set on the center line of just, this is like a in the center between two walls. It means for sure you can pull out the cassette. And as you see, we have a lot of space on this side. Yeah? This was the center line, like a wheel arch, etc. You know, these plastics, and we can move the inspection door to right. And you see, I measure it. It's a 42 mil. And still, to tell the truth, if we make some mistake, we have still some space here. It's not big space, because you know, here will be like a inner frame of the door, but still we have like a something will be inner frame of the door, but still we have something like a 3 mil reserve. So means we can move in this position, let's say like a landscape position. We can move these doors from the center line 42 mil. I also check the like a portrait position. It means like a opposite, and in this case this is something like a 21-20. Of course, if you have more space, it's not a problem. Just drill, cut, and that's it. But here we have wheel arch, so we have to watch out where we install the inspection door, thetford door. So this is the line. It's a symmetry of cassette. So with laser I move this line to this place, and here I drill the hole for outside. I don't want to cut this reinforcement, so the toilet door have to be a bit higher. Okay, let's take a look how it looks from outside and where. So okay, here we have the hole. Let's measure how it looks. And to this edge, I don't want to cut this plastic, but if we can cut it. We have 14.5, 145 mils. Middle. It's even worse. This is, I don't wanna install like that, because we start going to this place on the body. So it's not good because we have to fill like a filler or no filler with any silicone or something like that. So let's try fit. Try to fit. Okay. So means we can like use the smaller radius or even cut straight with right angle and we recover it by frame. Let's go. Protect with masking tape. Also inner area, maybe we can you wanna use this for something, let's say for filling doors, like it's a bit covered here. Okay, let's say 28 holes, so 14 from edges. So to tell the truth, it will be and of course toilet have to be raised a bit over the level of the floor. I think right now is 2.5 centimeters, but probably 20 will be enough just to keep it, or maybe not, be on the safer side. Now ready. Minimum we have to cut this plastic if we take enough, but we have to take it out anyway because it was just like it. And of course we have to cut out the bottom trim. It's not a problem. So short summary of this. All this like filling with this plastics, with everything, is because I want to keep the bathroom in this place. I don't want to move it, make it smaller. This is like it even can be a bit bigger, but let's say we keep it. This is one thing. Second thing, the manual for Thetford doors is good for like a square motorhome, not like a conversion for the camper, because what they suggest is it's working on the like a flat surfaces.